This is a demonstration video of pushing FPGA code up to a 1500 OEM Rev E board and then installing that code on the FPGA. Typically the FPGA code will be installed along with the upgrade through SLA1500 upgrade installer, but this is a workaround if you have an older firmware version, say 223, and in this example we'll install FPGA version 11 on that. So I've connected Panel Plus to my 1500 unit, and my IP address is 192.168.1.92, and my FPGA version is 6. So I'll install only two utilities. One is WinSCP and the other is PuTTY, and WinSCP will be used to copy the files over, and PuTTY will be used to go and install the FPGA to the new FPGA code. So I'll go to run WinSCP, and I will log into my unit. Password is root. And this brings up this window where I can see my unit on the right hand side and my Windows PC on the left hand side. On the right hand side this is actually on my SLA1500 unit, and I go to the utils directory, FPGA, and this already has FPGA v11, the shell script, and v11 STP file. But I'll go over here, I go to in my C temp directory. I have these files here. I have the staple file is STP, and the .sh is the file that executes that. So I would take these two. The CFG is for the Flash programmer, and just drag these over here. And then you would have FPGA v11.sh and the staple file. So now I can close WinSCP. Now I'll go install the FPGA. So I run PuTTY. .192.168.1.92 and SSH, and I get a login, root, CD to utils, ls, cd FPGA, ls, and now I can install my FPGA v11. I go sh space dot slash FPGA underscore v11.sh. And this is actually programming the FPGA. And this takes about 2 minutes, and the progress indicator will come up showing that. So it erased it, now it's programming it. And it'll give me % done, and then afterwards it'll verify it. And I'll pause the video until that's done. Okay, so my verifying FPGA has passed, and so my FPGA should be programmed now. At this point, the best thing to do is to go up to config, reset board, and that'll actually reset the board so it updates to the new version of FPGA, as well as it should update the version shown on Panel Plus. And I'll pause this again while that reboots. Okay, so my system's rebooted, and I have video coming from the Sony camera, and down here along the bottom I have FPGA 11, and that's the process. If you install a version like 224 where version 11 is natively supported, that would already be in the utils / FPGA directory. So then you just need to PuTTY over there and execute whichever shell .sh script has the version that you want to change to.